a quick visit to my local junction station, Leamington Spa, where they've done some refurbishments, some highlighting some of the lovely old features of the station. They've renewed the car park area and bus terminus area. It's all very good. And that's today's train for Stratford-on-Avon departing. These period railway posters, they're top notch. Yeah, that one's got Leamington Spa on it. Royal Leamington Spa. Aberystwyth and Worcester Cathedral. Back in the day. There's a really smart Leamington Spa running in board. And there's an authentic Great Western platform seat. Front of the station's been really tidied up. New car parking, waiting, and a new bus stop. And there's an electric bus. Very good. Now this area, this is a real improvement. This is the old subway in the old days from Leamington General Station through to the Avenue Station, and it was always a fairly rough area. At the entrance to the subway we've got a map of the town, so this is like a gateway to the town now. And the decoration inside the subway, they called it the Royal Leamington Spa Colour Palette by Stacey Barnfield. We can have a look at that in there. So instead of actual individual artworks, these are done in colour palettes, and they've named them after things that mean a lot to Leamington Spa, like Jeffson Grass Green, Leamington Valley Green, Spa Water, Weir White, Foundry Wood, Midland Oak, and so it goes on. Simple, colour palettes, and the whole thing looks very tidy. That's a London's train with every seat taken, some standing. That's not very good.